In 1969, California drag racer and long-haul trucker Gary Weckesser built one of the wildest exhibition machines ever seen on the drag strip. Called the Mach IV, it combined the body of a 1969 Ford Mustang Mach I Sportsroof with 4 fuel-injected 351 cubic-inch Windsor V8 engines and full-time four-wheel drive. It was not designed to meet NHRA class rules, but to amaze spectators with raw power, noise, and visual shock value. Weckesser's inspiration came partly from TV Tommy Ivo, who had stunned crowds in the early 1960s with his 4-engine Buick Dragster known as Showboat. Where Ivo left his quartet of V8s exposed, Weckesser blended the funny car look with the multi-engine concept. The Mustang body was narrowed, chopped, and sectioned to fit over a custom 4130 tubing chassis, while still keeping original details like chrome bumpers. Kent Fuller built the chassis, and the fiberglass body received bold paint schemes ranging from white with metallic blue shading to later heavy metal flake finishes. The engineering was remarkable. The 4 engines were mounted in line, tied together through a network of drive shafts and U-joints. All power ran through a single heavy-duty clutch into a custom direct-drive gearbox. Unlike dual-clutch or chain-drive setups, this design allowed synchronized delivery to both front and rear axles, making the Mach IV truly four-wheel drive. Output was estimated between 2,000 and 3,000 horsepower, with claims of quarter-mile times in the 8-second range and trap speeds around 180 miles per hour, approximately 290 kilometers per hour. Exhibition match races even pitted the Mustang against Ivo's Showboat and the later Wagon Master Buick station wagon. From 1969 to 1975, the Mach IV toured the drag racing show circuit, supported by sponsors like Galpin Ford, Enderle, and Isky Cams. It became famous for its 32 exhaust pipes firing simultaneously and its ability to perform full four-wheel burnouts. By the mid-1970s, as sponsorships faded and Weckesser focused on family life and trucking, the car was retired. Decades later, Galpin Motors acquired and restored the Mach IV. It returned to public view at the 2013 SEMA show and has since been displayed at events such as the Peterson Museum's Mustangs Forever exhibit. Today, the Mach IV remains a unique piece of Ford history, a mechanical spectacle that pushed the funny car format to its limits and continues to fascinate enthusiasts with its audacity.